Hello and welcome to Technical Free. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to make a trading plan. For that, I am taking an example of GBP JPY long trade. Here you can see that I have mentioned some key points to make a trading plan. There are total 11 key points. We are going to learn step by step. The first point is pair. In which pair you are planning to trade. So here I have mentioned that GBP JPY. So here I am doing a long, so that's why it will be in this section I will write GBP JPY long. If I am planning for short trade, then I will write GBP JPY short. After that, I have to mention at what price I am planning to enter. That is, as per this example, I am planning to enter at 151.170. And what will be my lot size? Lot size will be 0.02. Everything is done by the risk reward as per my account balance, this lot size. Okay. Next, we have to focus on the stop loss. Here you can see that I have 66 pips stop loss. That means if my stop loss is going to get hit, I am going to lose $12. That means 1.2% of my account balance. After that, the fourth point will be take profit, where you are planning to take your profit or close your trade. So around 262 pips from my entry point, I am going to book take profit, that is $52. After this, we have to mention fifth point as a RR. What is your RR according to your risk management? So here you can see that my RR or risk reward is 1:3.97. That means 1% is a risk and 3.90% will be my reward. After this, we have to mention where we are planning to book a partials. So this is the area where I am planning to book partials. So I have to mention this number, which is around 152.315 or 300. So I will mention this at point number 6. After that, I have to mention type of a trade. That means whether I am doing this as an intraday trade or swing trade. As per my trading plan, I am going to hold this trade more than one day. That's why I have mentioned this as a swing trade. After this, we have to mention opening balance. That means your actual account balance while taking a trade. So let's take an example. I have $1,000. After that, I have to make 9 point, that is profit or loss, P and L. Whether while closing this trade I am in profit or loss, I have to mention that number here. After that, the final point is closing balance. So whenever trade is going to get closed, either my stop loss will get hit or my take profit will get hit. So at that time, I am going to mention my closing balance. And the final is 11 point, that is what I learned from this trade. So basically, this is very important to make a note after closing your trade, whether it is a positive or negative. That means you won or you lost this trade. So during this trade, what was your psychology? Like, if trade is going with your according to your trading plan, then how was your behavior? And if trade was going against you at that time, how was your behavior? What decision you took while taking this trade or while closing this trade? You got scared when trade was going against you or not? You have to mention each and everything in this 11th point, and which is very important. According to me, I am following this trading plan more than 3 to 4 months, and I can see the improvement with each and every trade. That means, like, whenever I am planning to enter or whenever I am planning for new trade, I just revise my previous mistakes or previous right decision which I have taken whenever I win the trade or I lose the trade. So these points you have to mention in what I learn from this trade. So this is the trading plan what I follow, and I am suggesting you all, if you follow this trading plan, you will see the results in your favor in coming time. This is a long process, but this is very important for everyone. Thank you so much guys.